Shaoxing HaoHua Timber Industry Company Limited was founded in 2016, which works as a subsidiary of Zhejiang Fudeli Timber Industry Company Limited founded in 1994. We are a professional manufacturer in engineered wood flooring, herringbone, chevron, and a variety of parquets. It has been developing into a global international premium brand with Woodtopia, which has stood for exceptional expertise and innovative. Our company adheres to integrate R&D with sales both in local and abroad, providing excellent subsequent service through our qualified partners. Our factory is the epicenter of our operations, serving customers across the globe. We have many big projects in China, Canada, Australia, United Kingdom, Dubai, Moscow. From North America to Europe, Russia to Southeast Asia, the Middle East to South America, and all the way to the picturesque landscapes of Australia, our footprint extends far and wide. Nestled in the heart of Shaoxing City, Zhejiang Province, our state-of-the-art factory stands as a testament to innovation, excellence, and a relentless commitment to quality. With a harmonious blend of cutting-edge research and development, coupled with an extensive global sales network, we are your trusted partner in delivering top-tier wood flooring solutions. Allow us to take you on a journey through our facility and unveil the unparalleled craftsmanship that defines us. Our factory is a marvel of modern engineering, equipped with cutting-edge facilities and a team of skilled employees. At the heart of our operation lies a drying kiln. This kiln ensures that the moisture content of our materials remains precisely within the ideal range, safeguarding the quality of our products. On the first floors, we are also equipped with the plywood cutting machine, length-fixed machine, cold press machine, tongue and groove machine, sanding machine, brushed machine. Our production line is a symphony of precision, featuring state-of-the-art profile machines. This advanced machinery plays a pivotal role in crafting the highest quality wood flooring products. From drying and pressing to the meticulous fixing of length and width, every step of our floor production process is meticulously automated, resulting in unparalleled consistency and quality. On the second floor, there is a coating line. The floors will be lacquered or oiled many times here in order to protect the wood, make it waterproof and maximize the use of wood life and its value. Also, an automatic packing machine, which will wrap the cartons with plastic film to further enhance water resistance. At the core of our factory lies an unwavering commitment to quality control. Our dedicated team of highly educated professionals specializes in quality assurance and testing. Their meticulous attention to detail ensures that every product that leaves our facility meets the highest standards of excellence. From the initial stages of production to the final finishing touches, we leave no stone unturned in our pursuit of perfection. Our passion lies in the timeless beauty of wood flooring. The flooring is mainly conventional brushed and colored, supplemented by high-end stained flooring. Our extensive range of flooring options such as oak, maple, black walnut and other species, and we have dedicated ourselves to preserving its natural allure. Presenting an impressive portfolio of distinct flooring products, we offer a stunning array of options to meet your unique needs. Each Woodtopia's product bears the hallmark of our dedication to craftsmanship and the inherent elegance of wood flooring. We extend a warm welcome to all. Whether you're interested in exploring our manufacturing process, creating custom designs, or simply sampling our exquisite products, we're here to accommodate your every need. In the hallowed halls of Woodtopia's factory, tradition meets innovation, and quality reigns supreme. Join us on this journey, and experience the very essence of wood craftsmanship. Your satisfaction is our ultimate goal, and we look forward to being your trusted partner in the world of wood flooring.